Oh my God, I love this country, Bosnia. I come here for the first time and literally I'm in love with this country. Um, the reason is I find the people very, very warm over here. The, a lot of business opportunities over here and weather also is very nice. So generally when you enter any country, it's the first impression which you get about the country and that's what makes you positive and that's what makes you, yes, I want to do some business. The same happened when I went in Dubai. When I landed in Dubai, in the first impression I got like this is the place I want to settle down. And it happens the same thing over here. When I came over here, I just felt that this is the country, I have a lot of opportunities and I should be here as soon as possible and start my business over here. You see, Danube Group was established 27 years ago with absolutely zero money. When I say zero money, we had no money. I had come from Kuwait when Saddam Hussein had invaded Kuwait. I worked in Dubai for 1 year before I could start my company. And then I told my wife that, you know, I love this country, like I just mentioned about Bosnia, and I want to start my business over here. And my wife said, are you crazy? You want to start your business in Dubai? We don't have money. I said, let me try because there's something which I know, which is a brokerage business. Means brokerage is somebody wants to buy and somebody wants to sell. And if I just make commission out of it, and I had the contacts of the sellers, I had to just find the buyers who wants to buy my material. So that's how we started our company in Dubai with only me and my wife as my employee, the first employee. And gradually we started doing some trading over there. Now we are having 3,600 employees working for me. We're a company called Danube Building Material, Danube Home, and also Danube Properties. I mean, you know, Dubai properties are also very, it's not as cheap as Bosnia, but it's quite reasonable priced compared to the other metropolitan cities. So we started something called Danube Properties, and today I would say one of the fastest growing company in UAE, and I'm very, very happy that we took the decision of starting the company over there, and God has been very kind to me, and also the people also there were very, very nice. Bosnia, I've been hearing it for a very long time, and I also know a lot of my Emirati friends do come over here. I mean, when I was on the flight, my flight was half full with an Emirati friend, and most of them I could see there sitting in the Swiss hotel. So I was very fortunate that I also picked up the right hotel. And then one of the main reason I would say I came to Bosnia is because I have this gentleman called Mr. Iftikhar. He inspired me to come to Bosnia. When I was in office, he said, Rizwan, you have to come. Danube Group must come to Bosnia. The problem is what happens is, you know, we are in a comfort zone over there. Although I am present in 20 countries, but still we are in a comfort zone in UAE. And I told Iftikhar, why Bosnia? Who will come to Bosnia? But then he kept pushing me and he said, Rizwan, you have to come to Bosnia. And I'm so happy that I took the decision of coming over here because that really changed my vision about what Bosnia is and what I can do over here. So I would say, yes, Iftikhar is one of the reasons. And then, of course, I've been hearing that a lot of my Emirati friends who are coming to this Bosnia, and that's the reason I'm here. I think Bosnia also has many, many reasons, although I'm very new to Bosnia, but what I can see of Bosnia, let me tell you few reasons, okay? Let me start with 5 reasons. Let me see if I can go more than 5. One of the reasons is you have a lot of greenery over here, which we don't see in UAE. I mean, whenever what you want is fresh air, that's what we look at it. And everywhere I'm driving, it's a lot of greenery over here. For a business opportunity like me, huge opportunity I feel, because still Bosnia is a growing country and a lot of businesses opportunities are here which I have discovered in the last 3-4 days. For Danube Home, yes, it is one of the best opportunity because we have that. Also, I feel the people are very nice. They are ready to welcome the tourist without any problem. Then we can open a company without any partner over here. That's a very, very important for a foreigner or investor who wants to come and invest over here. You just have to come and form your company without any partner. And I believe the rules and regulations are not that difficult. The food, I enjoyed the food over here. Excellent, mind-blowing food, the type which we would like to eat, especially what we eat in the Middle East. I think these are one of the 5 reasons what one would look at it. And and the most important thing, I must say, I must congratulate Bosnian government for keeping the roads so clean. You know, I was just telling Iftikhar that look, what a lovely place. These people have managed to keep the roads so clean, so nice, and the roads are also very nice. So infrastructure, I would say, is very, very nice. So many reasons I would say. It's more than 5. I thought I will end up at 5, but it's going more and more. And this is only my 3rd day in Bosnia. So if I'm going to stay here more, I will probably find more reasons here to be here. Yes, like I mentioned, very first thing, that if you want to enter in any country, the first thing I should have that intuition. Yeah, this country is going to work for me, and that intuition I already had it as soon as I landed in the airport. My immigration was cleared so fast. That's very important for a foreigner when he comes. That he is hassle-free. He is out of the airport. The baggages were on time. Then the welcome at the hotel. Then the people around you, and when you move around, you could see that happy people. Now you want to be enter in a country where people are happy, people are enjoying over there, and also you find business opportunity. So yes, Bosnian did fulfill my criteria of starting a business over here, because I could see that positive energy, positive vibes, and most important, what I heard about here is the security is very good. I mean, that is very important for a foreigner, that when he comes over here, he should not be looted or he should not be mugged by any Bosnian or any other country, any other people, any other country you go to. Now, this is what I got to understand, that Bosnian is a very safe country to start your business. So all the things matters to an investor, and like I mentioned to you earlier, you can start your business without any partner. So yes, definitely Bosnia fulfilled my criteria of starting my business over here, and I should be here very soon. Yeah, that's what I have a plan, because when I was moving around, I could not see any store. Now, let me tell you what is Danube Home. Danube Home is a store which you get everything when you want to furnish your house. Like I mentioned to you earlier, one is the building material, with the business which we are. That means when you are constructing your house, you require all the cement and the steel and the plywood and all that. After your house is ready, you require to furnish your house. Now, Danube Home comes there, where when the house is ready, you require your sofas, you require your sanitary fittings, you require your kitchen, you require your garden furniture, you require your tiles, you require your aluminium, glass, windows, doors, ceiling, flooring. Now, everything under one roof is what Danube Home provides. So I think this sort of a opportunity of Danube Home is there, which is because I did not see any of the store which serves this in Bosnian market, and I should be coming here with Danube Home concept very soon. Adil definitely is managing the business very well. He is the one who is responsible for Danube Home. He's taken this Danube Home to a new level, because every year he is growing with the growth rate of 30, 40, 50%. You will be happy to know that even in the pandemic, this particular Danube Home has grown 40% in 2020, and we are expecting to go another 40 to 50% in 2021. So this business model was possible because he had that vision how to drive this company into multinational companies. And today Danube Home is there in 20 countries, and they are already signed up for many other countries, which you will be seeing. So by 2025 we should be hopefully there in the 50 countries. That is the vision of Adil, that he wants to make Danube Home a multinational company like the other multinational companies which are there present in the world. And this is very much possible because the variety which Danube Home has for any country, no other store has this. And that's what people look, that you go to any of the store where you find everything, where you don't have to bargain in the prices, you get value for money, you get after sale service, and that's what Danube Home is all about. So I'm sure the Bosnian government or the Bosnian people will be very happy if Danube Home comes over here, because that will fulfill or make many people who are building their houses. And what I understand, that a lot of construction is happening in Bosnia, a lot of new houses are coming in. So yes, Danube Home definitely will help, and Adil is going to take this for sure forward as soon as possible. As soon as I go back, I'm going to discuss the plan with him, and he'll be here with his team, and we'll start Danube Home as soon as possible. You see, today's generation or today's world is very competitive. but at the same time, a lot of opportunities. Uh, the world is growing very, very fast, and one has to figure out something or think something out of the box. Now, to do something, think out of the box, one has to work in a particular company and then decide what he wants to do. I go and give a lot of these lessons in many of the colleges, universities, all the SME small industries. And the most important thing is I tell all the youngsters that first figure out what is your strength. Like, are you, like for example, if you ask me, my strength is sales, I am a very good in salesman. Somebody could be very good in writing, he could be editor, somebody could be, I would say, in painting, or somebody could be a chef. So you need to figure out what is your strength. Now, once you have figured out, yes, this is my strength, then you work towards it. You only focus towards that. Don't try to divert your mind, because most of the young generation, most of the young people which I see, sometimes they are trying to do working as a chef, or sometimes they want to pursue their career in the computers, or want to do as a singing. So that's not that. You need to first figure out what is your strength, work on that company for 3 years, and then plan or focus next 3 years where you want to be. This is very, very important, because you cannot say that, okay, that particular Bill Gates is that so-and-so so rich, I want to become like Bill Gates. You can become like Bill Gates, but it takes some time. You need to have a vision of every 3 years where you want to be. Focus on that, work towards that. Don't waste your time on just social media or something. Ensure that every time which you have is utilized in upgrading your skills, trying to do something extra in that particular skill, and trust me, the world has today much more opportunities than it had earlier.